Hi, I'm John Whitney, president of J.P. Whitney Construction. We've been in business in the Bay Area for over 30 years, working on residential and commercial projects. At J.P. Whitney Construction, we can help you with every aspect of your project, from concept to completions. We take care of all the complexities of the work while keeping you involved as a vital part of our process. One of the most important lessons we've learned in our years in business is dream designs don't lead to successful projects. The recipe for success is to work as a team and develop a preliminary design and a budget that ultimately becomes a quality product that fits your budget and vision. Our blend of leadership, expertise, and partnerships with quality subcontractors provides you with peace of mind while your vision becomes a reality. Please contact us at J.P. Whitney Construction so we can help you down the right path. Good design and a clear budget makes a successful project.